for example, we had a client 3 weeks ago who hadn't got laid in 8 years, like with a new girl. Matt did a quick photo shoot with him, and the dude hooked up with 4 girls in 2 days before leaving Toronto, which is insane, right? So just imagine the potential you guys have, unlimited potential, before you guys, make it out here. Because most of you guys flew in here. Everyone flew in, except you. You're like the only dude from Toronto, which is insane when you think about it, right? Most of our guys actually fly in for these programs. Like 90% of our clients, coaching students fly in because, I'm not gonna come to you. I'm not gonna go kick down your door. If you wanna learn this stuff, you gotta actually make it out here and commit to this. This program's gonna be one of the most powerful and important things you've ever done in your life. You guys don't actually realize it because you haven't been to the end of it. You'll see it. You'll see what I mean. Because again, we just ran a program 3 weeks ago. The beginning, the first day of the program, it's all documented. The guys are like, yeah, I don't really know. I'm here. I'm here for this goal, that goal, whatever. By the end of it, everyone's different. Everyone's kind of changed. Everyone's a little bit of a different personality, different character. Okay, it's very, very interesting how this works. And the transformation we have is just so past anything you could ever fucking imagine. Like it's the change and the depth of character development, right? This is gonna go so much past just like traditional dating coaching, okay? You're gonna be doing things that you didn't think were possible socially, okay? You're gonna be meeting people that you think were possible socially. You're gonna be stepping outside your comfort zone. And the beauty of that is when you do that over a long period of time and you develop that skill set, your life completely changes, okay? I want you guys to understand something too. There's gonna be times in this program you're gonna think, Justin's a fucking asshole, okay? I want you to understand something. If I'm hard on you, it's because this is boot camp. This isn't summer camp, okay? This isn't like hand holding for little bitches, okay? This is meant to be difficult. This is gonna be like a trial by fire. This is going to be a, jumping the deep end, learning how to swim, okay? It's like sink or swim, and you gotta keep up, okay? It's gonna be a really, really challenging experience. But I promise you that this is going to be one of the most powerful things any of you guys have ever done in your entire life. You don't see it right now because you're at the end of it, right? We haven't even taken like our first step yet, right? Like it's crazy. When you actually think about what you're learning here, we're cutting decades off your learning curve potentially for some of you, right? Each day of coaching is literally like a year of learning. It's gonna be fucking crazy. Today's gonna be one of the most intensive days of your life. I'm gonna give you a fair warning. I've even had some guys who make it all the way out here and after like the first day program, they fucking drop out. I've had guys who are so scared to even do the program. They book the flight, pay down the tuition costs, whatever, right? And they don't even make it. They just don't show up. It's fucking nuts. You think about it, right? 'Cause for some guys, learning social skills, learning how to meet women, learning how to meet people, learning how to overcome your inner anxiety, it's like the hardest thing you can ever do, right? If your brain's not on your side, right? And that's why, for some of you guys, you've gotten older and you haven't accomplished what you want to accomplish. Well, we're gonna play catch up. We're gonna teach you the fundamental skills you need to have this week in order for you to get to that next level and break off years off your learning curve. And most guys really don't understand the benefit of that. I'm not trying to flex or brag on you guys, but like in the last week, it was a bit slower with business. I ended up banging like 6 girls, right? Like this week. I just called my girlfriend. She's like in Toronto. She doesn't live in Toronto. I'm like, hi, baby. How are you? She's like, how's your night? I'm like, it was great, right? Didn't do much. I got a girl over from Tinder last night. Like I had a girl pull up from like 2 hours away. She took a 3-hour bus to come see me. You know what I mean? Super, super hot, like 18-year-old chick. She's like staying with me right now. You guys will probably meet her later tonight. I just sent her to the aquarium. Cause I'm like, hey, like I wanna be like coaching and stuff. Like, you wanna go find something to do? And she's like, okay, I'm gonna go to the aquarium. And anyway, so the whole point, guys, this week is gonna be really, really intensive. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's very important that you guys listen to everything I say. Don't half-ass it, don't fight me. Don't like rationalize your beliefs, okay? Because I'm wildly successful. I do a few $100,000 a month in revenue. On a good month, I'll sleep like 15 to 20 women, right? Crushing at the highest levels. Yesterday, I had a meeting with dude who lives in the penthouse across the street. Dude's making like millions a year. Like, all my friends are like in their 40s and multimillionaires. I mean, a couple of friends / clients are like billionaires. Like I'm operating at the highest levels of social skills. So if you knew better than me, you'd be the one sitting here coaching, right? You guys do not know better than me. Do not rationalize. Do not judge yourself. Just literally listen to everything I say, apply it right away, and I promise you'll get results.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partnering with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.